Hello everyone, welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. Today we will know about rack and pin and mechanical mate in SolidWorks. First of all, I open new assembly. Now select front plane, sketch normal, select circle command, draw here a circle, right click select option, select line, create here a line, right click select option, select this line, make horizontal, go to smart dimension, select this circle, diameter of this circle 20 mm, distance from circle to this line 37 mm. Okay, right click select option, come back from the sketch, select design library, select toolbox, ISO, power transmission, select gears, spur gear, select and drag it. In property manager, select its properties, module 2, okay, number of teeth 25, pressure angle 20, face width 10 mm, hub style type A, shaft diameter 25, short teeth 25. Okay. Now select this spur gear, right click, select float, go to mate, select this inner face of spur gear and this circle, COCENTRIC. Okay, again okay. Now again design library, select rack and drag it. Same here, module 2, pressure angle 20, face width 10 mm, pitch height 12, length is 200, select 250. Okay. Select mate, select this edge of the rack and this line, coincident, select this face and this face, coincident. Okay, now adjust the pinon and rack. Okay, double click on spur gear in feature manager tree. Here select tooth cut, double click on it, select tooth cut side and select show. Now select mate, mechanical mates, rack pinon. First is rack, select this edge. Now select pinon gear, select this PCD. Okay. Now select visibility, hide all. Rack and pinon mate is activate. See here, it is working. This is rack and pinon mate in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.